Hey folks, welcome you all to a new video. This is CA Ganesh Bharadwaj, and I'm very happy and excited to share with you all the first look of our CA Final AFM Concept Decoder book. Guys, as I told you in the AFM announcement video, this has been a dream project for me. And guys, with lots of passion, this book has been crafted just to give you guys a value addition in such a way that you know I want you guys to experience that learning is fun, right? Learning is not boring, it is fun, and I want to give that experience to you all. So in that, keeping that as the bottom line, I have come up with this initiative, right? So I'll just quickly walk you through the book that we have created for this AFM concept. And by the way, guys, the entire book will not be uploaded as yet, as of now, because still some finalization work is going on with respect to all this, the formatting and all this editing. But before the start of the batch, definitely we will upload the book. Nothing to worry about that. Now, guys, before the start of every chapter, I've just taken an example of portfolio management. There will be a chapter introduction. Then there will be a chapter overview, clearly explaining what are all the different segments of this chapter, and under every segment, what are the concepts that we are going to see. This will give you a complete overview, a bird's eye view of the chapter. Now, once that is done, now, first part here is risk and return. Now, what we will do here, part one. Under that part, we'll give a segment introduction, and we will just be dealing with every single concept one by one. 100% of your ICA study material, page by page, I have personally gone through, and that's how we have created this book, because we don't want to miss out even a single formula. We don't want to miss out even a single concept. That's how it's been created. And guys, if you notice here, all these formulas are created in a separate design, so that it gives that refreshing look, and of course students will be able to retain the formulas in case they want to revisit the day before your exam. It's very simple. Once you go through it, all these formulas will pop up automatically. So this is something that I've done for the first time ever, right? So please let me know in the comment section if you guys like this design as well, right? And of course the doubt buster segment, this was already there at the intermediate level, but what I've done here is we've taken it to a next level. We have added some comic design here as well. So yes, for those who are still thinking, this is me thinking something. But anyways, this was just on a lighter note, just to make things a little more interesting. But trust me, guys, every single thing mentioned here in this book is absolutely relevant for your exam. This is not some random comic thing or random coloring we have done. We have not deviated even one bit from examination point of view. Every single thing that are mentioned in this book is absolutely relevant for your exam. Now, so we have just gone on to decode every single concept, and wherever formulas are there in your ICA study material, separately the formulas have been mentioned here and all these things. Now, the background logic for this formula, the formula construction, all those things will be obviously explained during the course of our lectures, right? And all these things will be explained in the classroom. Now, next one, yes, this is about fun facts. Now, fun fact means what? Now, sir, you are going to share some random thing from outside that is not required for exam? Absolutely not. Yes, these are very much practical elements, but without this, you actually cannot get a full-fledged understanding of the subject. So, for example, here, bell curve magic. I have mentioned something called bell curve magic. I'm not getting into the details. If you notice here, the entire concept of standard deviation, which is a measure of risk, is actually based on this normal distribution pattern. It looks somewhat like a bell curve. Now, this fundamental is required for you to even understand and interpret the concept of standard deviation. Why is that standard deviation a measure of risk? Right? I'm just giving you guys a bird's eye view. For you to know this, you should know what is this bell curve pattern. And for that bell curve pattern, there's a concept of normal distribution, right? It is very much a part of our syllabus, but we have kept it as a did you know or a fun fact section, so that you will get a complete 360-degree understanding of the subject, which is very much required for your examination purpose. Because as I told you earlier in the announcement video itself, right now, as on date, ICAI, the manner of testing is such that There is no difference between the practical understanding and theoretical understanding. Both are same, because ICAS completely shifted its testing pattern to practical elements. Hence, you need to have a practical understanding of the subject, and for that purpose, to enhance your understanding, I have introduced all these things as well. Right? So that's how we have actually done this entire book, fully colored, and every coloring has a reason. For example, if you notice all these green ink items, these are sub-concepts heading. Right? Under that, keywords are highlighted in red ink, and your formulas are separately kept in a new tab. And of course, as I just showed you, doubtbusters are kept separately, did you know sections are kept separately, and as a whole, along with my classroom explanation, where I give the background linking, and where I give you the logic and derivation of the formulas, with everything put together, the books plus the lectures put together, this gives you a holistic understanding of the entire subject, and we will be solving numerical problems from the solved question bank, and apart from that, we'll be solving case scenarios booklet. Those books are separate as well. Right? So this is something that I wanted to share with you all, guys, and please let me know on the comment section if you guys like this different initiative. I think no one has done this before. That's the reason why I wanted to do something which actually gives a lot of value addition to the students. So anyways, please let me know in the comment section if you guys like this initiative. And one more thing I wanted to share with you all, guys. None of this work would have been possible without the help of my wife, Shruti, who is also a chartered accountant. So she helped me with all these creative elements, and as well the final edits and all these things. So I definitely need to take a moment and thank her. Without her, none of this would have been possible. And that's it from my side, guys, in this video. Please do let me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you all so much. Bye bye.